Hi guys, Neda's here, and today in this video I would like to show you how do we set up the needles into the Phi holders. So as you might have one of these ones. If you're from PhiAcademy and you got your kits, you definitely have one of these. Well, this one is the older version of the holders and this one is the newest one. Look how pretty it is. I love it with Phi signs. It's very lightweight comparing to the older version. Like if you measure this one, like the weight is much higher than this one. I like this mainly for my latex practice. I prefer to use the disposable one-time use when it comes to working on my clients because of the hygiene and sanitation. I'm going to show you one of those. This is one of those disposable ones. It has U-blade. This is my practice one. And then here it has, if I can open it, number 3 needle. Let's see. There we go. So I use these disposable ones on my clients because it's one-time use. I will dispose it. And for sanitation, it works better for me. And it doesn't take much time that I have to just, sanitize this all the time after each client. So now I want to show you how do we install the needle into this little machine or device. Lots of my students asking me, how come it doesn't close? It just doesn't work or something like that. So I'm going to show you how I do that. So let me open this so I show you what's going on in here. So basically we do have kind of like a screw in here, you see, goes inside this and we tighten it. So when you tighten it completely all the way down, the tighter it gets, the closer this little shaft is, if that's the right word. So you're going to put your needle in this little open space in here. If you have round needle, this is for round space. You see here, right there. And also if you have the flat needle, like these ones, you can either put it in this tiny little bit of space in here, like there. So I will put it like this, inserted right there. And at the same time, I'm going to hold the head of it, like this section. I'm going to hold this and turn this handle. So I will hold this secure and I keep turning this until it's completely tight. So now it's impossible to move this needle out. So this is one way. This is eccentric version. If you want to have it in an angle, you have to do the same thing. You just open it up, and instead of putting it in this socket, you're going to put it in the middle section, just like that. Okay, in the middle section. And then at the same time, you're going to hold the head of the holder just like this. It's a little tricky, and then keep twisting it until it's completely tight, and then there you go. It's gonna be in angle situation, in angle position, and you can easily draw on your latex in an angle. Or, however you want. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to comment it below and I would be happy to give you more information about that specific question. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.